When the night was heavy and shame held me down, yes, you arose upon me and shattered the hold of darkness. You spoke and it fled. Now I walk in the radiance of the King who raised the dead. You've crowned me with glory, with loving kindness and grace. We raise a sound till we see your glory. Africa will see your glory till we see your. The ends of the earth will see your glory. The nation will see. Yes, your glory. You are my glory, the lifter of my head, the crown